Hey guys, how's it going? It is Dean from LazyLife Productions, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to export all your footage out of Adobe Premiere Pro 2022 for YouTube. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay guys, so you've just finished editing everything and now it's time to export. So what you're going to do is go up to the left here and click File. What you're then going to do is go all the way down to Export and then click Media. This window is going to come up. Now you need to use a specific format for YouTube. So go to Format. So this is actually what it's going to be. It's going to be H.264. To find this, just click the drop down and find H.264. The next step is just to pick a location for your footage to be exported to and name it. So just click right there, pick a location where you want to save your render and name it, and then click Save. What you're then going to do is make sure all these are ticked, leave all these the same, but you're going to go all the way to the bottom here and tick, if it's not already ticked, use maximum render quality. This will render the video at its highest quality. Now, this is optional, but if you want to pick your thumbnail for the video so that when you just scroll past your list of renderings, you can tell them apart. Basically, this timeline here is your entire footage, so if there is a specific part of the video you want to use as your thumbnail, just click it. And then what you're going to do is just go over and click Export and wait for it to do its magic. And then once it's rendered, you're pretty much good just to upload it straight to YouTube. Alright guys, that's the end of that one. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and I will be back with another video very soon. See you later.